Welcome to the Engineer Guide for the Triple Stack. The Triple Stack is Brack's bread and butter. This is a hold that you should become very intimately familiar with, and all of your callouts. So first off, we're going to start with secondary stairs. Secondary stairs is identified by the stairwell that you go upwards and reach an alcove. Likewise, primary stairs is a stairwell that you run upwards onto the roof. Keep these two in mind as you're holding. For a standard engineer hold, you're going to be hanging back towards the balcony. Your first step will be putting a hard light barrier at this angle. This will allow the heavies to utilize it more and provide a safe cover for not only them, but medics as well. Your role as the engineer is to help funnel trash. You are going to be on an anti-infantry turret back in this corner. The reason for this being, with your robotics technician and jockey implant, you will have time to hop off your turret and shoot anybody who comes in here. While you may go down, you'll alert the rest of the squad to a breach. In addition, anybody coming through the doorway or up the stairs will be melted. Your angle can be adjusted slightly to compensate for this, so that you can see more of the doorway. Overall, don't worry about behind you or balcony, because in addition, with jockey and robotics technician, along with your flak armor, you will not get nade spam. Or more, the investment to nade spam you will be tremendous. So don't be afraid of a couple frags. Instead, focus on eliminating targets that rush up the stairwell past your heavies, or any targets coming in from the door. If there's a heavy presence on the balcony, you can rotate and engage targets from here. Do not go onto the balcony. This is where you will die, and you will not get rezzed, because fuck you, you're an idiot. Brack medics don't res stupid. Now, moving to the rest of the room. Say your position is compromised by an EMP. Do not sit back here like an idiot with your thumb up your ass. Rotate more to approach to protect the balcony angle, or more from, again, this primary angle. Do not sit on your turret waiting for the EMP to feed. Stay active. In addition, if you're running a Spitfire turret, you can place that here. This will cover both angles. That is a completely different build that we do not cover in this particular guide. If it comes down to a further lockdown, you are able to put your turret closer to the stairwell.
Enemy engineer spotted.
This is ill-advised because you end up kind of leaving yourself too open. Again, you're stuck with only leaving one angle of approach. As covered in previous videos, we want to be able to lock down 2 to 3 locations at once, which this turret positioning allows us to do. We can shut down the middle of our room, the stairwell, the door, and again, the other stairwell. This concludes the engineer portion of the guide.